Hey friends, if you wish to fix kernel data in page error on your Windows 11 computer, which is a blue screen of death error, then please watch this video. So the issue could be because of missing and corrupt files or a bad RAM. So here's how we will proceed with it. First of all, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. If this doesn't help, then perform an SFC scan, which will check for missing and corrupt files on the system and replace them if possible. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a Windows memory diagnostic test. So simply search for memory diagnostic and then go to Windows memory diagnostic. Click on restart now and check for problems. It will check for issues with the RAM. And lastly, perform a clean boot on your system. Why a clean boot? Because a clean boot will check for third-party interference. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.